In the heart of suburbia, a hidden menace lurks beneath the surface, causing distress to homeowners. Damaged sewer lines can turn a peaceful home into a plumbing disaster. But fear not, for there's a groundbreaking solution on the horizon. Join us as we explore how the Light Ray LR3 technology revolutionizes sewer repair, all within a single drain cleaning call. Not again! This sink is backing up. I thought we fixed this. Meet Jane, a homeowner facing the all-too-common issue of sewer line blockage. Little does she know the culprit is root intrusion, a problem that can lead to significant damage if left untreated. Hello? I need a plumber ASAP. My drain is backing up again. Enter Mike, a skilled plumbing technician armed with the latest in sewer repair technology, the Light Ray LR3. Mike's mission? To diagnose and fix Jane's sewer problem in one efficient visit.
As I suspected, roots have invaded your sewer line, causing the blockage. But that's not all. We're also seeing grease buildup, some cracks, and misaligned pipe joints. Let's start by cleaning the pipe.
Before the Light Ray LR3 system can be deployed, the pipe needs to be prepped. Mike uses high-pressure water jetting to clear away debris and descaling tools to smooth out the pipe's interior. This ensures a clean and even surface for the new liner to adhere to.
Now that the pipe is clean, let's take another look with the camera to assess the true condition of the line and pinpoint the exact areas that need repair.
With the pipe cleaned, Mike conducts a second camera inspection. This crucial step allows him to accurately assess the pipe's condition and plan the Light Ray LR3 installation with precision.
With a clear view of the pipe's condition, we're now ready to use the Light Ray LR3 system to repair your pipe. It's a trenchless technology that creates a new, root-resistant pipe within the old one.
The Light Ray LR3 system is a game changer. It uses a UV-cured liner to seamlessly rehabilitate the damaged pipe, all without the need for excavation. This not only saves time, but also preserves Jane's beautiful home and yard.
The liner is now being cured with UV light, forming a strong, durable pipe that will keep roots at bay for years to come.
In time frame, the Light Ray LR3 system works its magic, leaving behind a fully restored sewer line, much to Jane's relief. Thank you, Mike. I can't believe it was fixed so quickly without any digging. And knowing these issues are resolved adds so much value to my home. Thanks to the Light Ray LR3 technology and Mike's expertise, Jane's sewer problems are a thing of the past. This revolutionary solution not only saves time and money, but also enhances the value of Jane's home by ensuring a future free of sewer worries. For homeowners looking for peace of mind and added value, Light Ray LR3 is the clear choice.